Hello, Ben.
What?
I said, hello, Ben.
Yes, I heard what you said, but why are you talking?
Because I'm an evil chair.
Do you have a lisp?
No, I most certainly do not have a lisp.
You're an evil chair with a lisp.
Okay. So what, I'm an evil chair with a lisp. I'm still super duper evil, though. Stop making fun of me.
Oh, I'm making the evil chair with a lisp angry now, am I? Ooh.
Oh, you want to take this outside?
Oh, you want to take this outside? You want to take this outside? Okay, let's go outside.
Ben versus the evil chair. 3, 2, 1, fight!